Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn what is UML. Okay, the full form of UML is Unified Modeling Language. Unified Modeling Language. It was invented by Grady Booch. UML is a designing language which is used to develop the good softwares. Okay, next, coming to the definition of UML. Let's see what is the definition of UML. Okay, it is defined as a visual language which defines, specifying, constructing and documenting artifacts of a system. Means UML is a visual language which defines the specifying, constructing, documenting the artifacts of the system. Let's take a look on these elements. So before developing a software, we have to specify what are the requirements of that particular software. That is called as specifying. After specifying the requirements, we have to start the constructing those requirements. After construction, we have to need a document, means where we have taken the requirements and how we are going to use those requirements in our model. Okay, so all these comes under to the artifacts of the system. Artifacts are nothing but what are the main things to develop the software or the system. It can be visualized. Okay, so in the point of view of this UML, designing is the best practice to develop the software rather than writing a code. Okay, for that purpose we are invented this programming language as a unified modeling language. Okay, let's check what are the advantages of this UML. It's mostly used by everyone. It is mostly used. It is very flexible and it is easily understandable. Okay, it is mostly used, mostly flexible and easily understandable. By using this UML, we can easily ready up a software. Okay, next, there are three ways to apply UML. Okay, what are those three ways? Let's see that. First one is UML as a sketch. Means in how many ways we can use this UML? Means there will be three possible ways. One is UML as a sketch. Second one is UML as a blueprint. Okay, and third one is UML as a programming language. Okay, what are the three ways? We can use the UML as a sketch, we can use the UML as blueprint, and we can use the UML as programming language. Okay, these are the three ways where we can represent the UML. So let's see what are the how we can use all these three ways. Okay. So first, UML as sketch. Okay. Second one is UML as blueprint. And third one, UML as programming language. Okay, let's see one by one. Okay, first I'm going to concentrate on the UML as sketch. Sketch means in the format of sketch, we can see the most informal and incomplete diagrams. Okay, first method is UML as sketch. This means we are designing a diagrams which are incomplete and which are informal. Okay, so in sketch method, we are going to develop a informal diagrams and incomplete diagrams, because we are getting a basic idea, a rough idea or a basic thing. So just we want to address the problem as a rough idea, that will be addressed as a sketch. Okay, that is the first thing. And next, coming to the second model called as blueprint. UML as blueprint. Here UML as blueprint means it is going to design the diagrams in a detailed manner. Detailed diagrams are designed when UML as blueprint. So let's take an example that while constructing a house, we can see a blueprint, because the worker or the constructor, what they need, they just need a blueprint. So where we have to construct all these rooms and hall, garden. Okay, so they just need a blueprint to analyze and organize all these diagrams in a detailed manner. Okay, that will be addressed as the blueprint. While coming to the addressing as UML as a blueprint, it consists of two categories. It is divided into two categories. First one is forward engineering, and second one is reverse engineering. So while using UML as a blueprint, we are going to develop a detailed designs. In that, we are going to design two methods. One is the forward engineering method and second one is the reverse engineering method. So let's take forward engineering. In forward engineering method, we are going to develop first diagrams which later converted into code. Code generation means generally we are going to develop the coding section first for executing the software. But by using UML, first we are going to develop the diagrams, later it is going to convert it to the code. Okay, that is called as forward engineering. Coming to the reverse engineering, it is quite vice versa. Means first it is going to generate the code, later it is converted to diagrams. Okay, so this will be addressed as reverse engineering. Reverse engineering means conversion of the code generation to the diagrams is stated as reverse engineering, and conversion from the diagrams to the code generation is termed as the forward engineering. So these are the two main things that are going to be addressed in the UML as the blueprint. Okay, so this is about the second method. And coming to the third method, UML as programming language. The name itself, we are talking about the code, which is a complete execution of the software. Complete executable code of the software. Okay, this is termed as UML as a programming language. So after we have developed all these diagrams, we are directly converting those diagrams into a complete executable code. Okay, this is termed as UML as a programming language. All these three methods or three ways that are applied for UML to design a perfect software. Okay, that's it. Thank you.